Do you like to create these trendy and cute photos but don't know how to do it? It's actually very simple. First, I will show you how to create these photos using the Leonardo AI website. Then we will use the Capcut app to turn these photos into Instagram Reels. Go to leonardo.ai on the browser. Click on the Get Started. In this section, there are 4 options available for signing up on this website. You can register on this site using an Apple or Google or Microsoft account, or with an email. I register using my Google account. Click on the image creation and apply the same settings that I apply. Type this text in the prompt session. I put the prompt text in the video description. Click on the Generate. Now you have the image. Download these photos. Now we need to use the Capcut app to turn these photos into Instagram's trending Reels. Click on the Import, select the photos you downloaded in the previous step. Add these photos to the timeline by clicking on the blue plus sign. You can add transition to the videos. Now it's time to add music to the video. You can choose any music you like. You can make the video clip shorter by dragging it to your desired length. I will keep it about 2 seconds. Let's now see the outcome of the videos.